Hello guys, so welcome back to today's mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC and JAM examination. So guys, it is the first time watching my video, or if my channel, do it to subscribe, like, also turn your button in case what you are benefit like this, definitely be the first to notify. And also if you're watching us for our Facebook page or our Twitter, follow us and share this video with your friend and family. God bless you as you share this video. I wish you more wisdom, knowledge, understanding, and success in this upcoming examination. Thank you for sharing this video with your friends and your family, so you also help them out. So let's dive to the solution of this question. Yesterday, we solved question under decimal and the fraction. We are still on that topic. That will be the last. Today it will be the last class on this topic because we still have a lot of topics to cover up. So guys, I think by now you are you that are joining us for our Telegram, for our WhatsApp group. I think by now you should have your pen and your Bible with you. Then let's dive to today's class. So we have the question to solve. Okay, this question is very simple. That's just fraction. But if you don't know how it is formed, you made a mistake. Like in sign, you made a mistake. But let's say how we can justify this question, how you can solve it. I have like 3 questions here, but I'll solve this one. I'll give it the main one as a classwork. You knows me, whenever I come to my class, just know that I will solve question and I'll give a classwork based on what I taught you. Similar question that if you're facing the question like this, it is a coming WAEC or JAM examination, so you'll be able to know how you can tackle it. So that is the reason why I gave you classwork, for you to learn and know where you can make a mistake, what if in a question likely to it. That is why I do the classwork. And you know guys, when you submit, I'll do the correction for you guys. So in case if you haven't joined our Telegram, or if you haven't joined our WhatsApp group right now, you can go to the comment section and request for the link. So I'll send the link so you can join us, our WhatsApp group. So we have discussed a lot, so let's dive to it. We have evaluate 1/10 multiplied by 2/3 plus 1/4 divided by, okay, there's 1/2 divided by, that is 3/4 minus 1/4. This is the option. This is 2004 question 3 JAM past question. So let's dive to the solution of it. So let me take the solution out. Now what you just have to do here, this is quite very simple. Okay, what you just have to do, this one, the first part here, they will multiply by each other. This will multiply by each other, this will multiply by this, because this is multiplication. So we can first of all split this. So let's say that our numerator, let's say this, let's first of all solve our numerator, and then you solve this, and then you divide the answer. The answer get, you can divide it together. So let's dive to it. So let's first of all solve our numerator. So remember it out. We have 1/10, okay, multiplied by 2/3 plus 1/4. So let's first of all solve this. This one is multiplication, bad mouse. Okay, you first of all solve for multiplication first. 1 times 2, that's equal to, this will become 2/10 times 3, that is 30. So we have plus 1/4. Now to solve this two fraction, now you have the two fraction, you have this fraction 2/30 and 1/4, and it's separated by equal to. What you just have to do here is to find the LCM of the numerator. And if you look at it, we find the LCM of the numerator here is 30 and 40 is the number we have here. So to find the LCM of 30 and 40, if you look at it very well, that's a 60. The LCM of 30 and 4 is 60. So that means that we are dividing everything by 60. Okay, that's LCM. How many 30 can you see in 60? That goes what? 2 times. That goes 2 times rather. 2 times 2. Okay, 30 in 60, it goes in 2 times. The 2 times used that it goes in 60, it multiplied by the 2 we have here. That is 2 times 2, that gives us what? As 4 plus how many 4 can you see in 60? 4 divided by 60, that is 15. Okay, that's 15. 15 times 1, that's equal to 15. So therefore we have 15. Yeah. So when you add it together, what do you get now? 4 plus 15, that's equal to 19. So we have 19/60. So that simply means all our numerator is equal to 19 over 16. Now let's solve the numerator now, and our numerator gives that we have 1 over 2, okay, divided by, that is a 3 over 5 minus 1 over 4. So the same way we solve this. This one is division, so you will first of all solve this division first, and then the answer we get between the division and then subtract this one from it. Okay, so in this case, what you just have to do here, since we have this fraction, we have fraction here 1 over 2 is another fraction, this division will change to multiplication. Yesterday I explained something like this, right? Okay, so this one will change to multiplication. So when this changes to multiplication, is returned to the inverse of the second part here. Again, now it's not the inverse of the second part here, which means that this 5 will goes up, this 3 will comes down. Okay, and then this changes to multiplication. So let's dive to it. So we have 1 over 2, okay, multiply the division have changed to multiplication, and what division changes to multiplication, the effect occur in the second fraction here. Does this one becomes that is 5 over 3. So the numerator here goes up while the numerator comes down. That's the inverse of it. It's minus 1 over 4. So let's multiply it down. 1 times 5, that's equal to what? That's 5 divided by 2 times 3. Let's go to 6. We have 6. Okay, minus 1 over 4. So it will be equal to, now what you just have to do here is to find the LCM. Okay, we have the two fraction, I have another fraction here, and they're separated by minus. So it means that we find the LCM of the numerator. LCM of 6 and 4, what LCM of 6 and 4 is 12, right? So we have 12. Okay, so how many 6 can you see in 12? That it goes what? 2 times. 2 times 5, that's equal to 10. You have 10 minus. How many 4 can you see in 12? That is what? 3 times. 3 times 1, that's equal to what? 3. So that is minus 3. So this one becomes 10 minus 3, that's equal to what? 7 over what? 12. Here we got 7 over 12. Hope you are getting it now. So in this numerator, we get this numerator here, we get 7 over 12, where our numerator we get 19 over 16. Now let's put it according to the expression we have here. So if we should put it according to the expression we have for this place, it will be equal to, our numerator is equal to 19, so here we have 19 over 60, everything divided by the numerator, that is equal to 7, that is 7 over 12. Now the same thing we can occur like this. You know, in this part, this division you can make it linear. Okay, what I mean by linear, you can change to normal division as something like this, right? So let me just interpret it like that. We have 19, okay, 19 over 60, okay, divided by, okay, instead of use this log division, this division here, you can use this divide as this. So we have 7 over 12. I get now. Now here we have two fractions. The first part is fraction, the second part is fraction, and they are separated by division. What you just have to do here is to change the division to multiplication. Now when you are changing to multiplication, what will happen? The second part here will have effect, which will be inverse of the second part here, which means that 12 will goes up while 7 will comes down. So this one simply becomes that is 19 divided by 60, okay, multiplied by, that is 12 over 7. Now if you consider this 12 can be divided by this 60 here, so 12 here, 12 here, 12 and 60, that's equal to 5. I get now. So here we miss 1 there because this 12 are cancelled. 12 are there, 1, 12 and 60 we have 5. Now we miss 90 here. 90 times 1, that's equal to 19, right? Divided by 5 times 7, that is 30 or 35. So we have 35. So is it you can divide it? Not you can divide it. So the answer is equal to 19 over 35. So that is option, okay? That is option of D. So that is the solution to this problem, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the class. So if you enjoyed the class, go to the comment section and say that you understand. And now let's go to our class. So you have learned a lot from this class, right? Now let's dive this. Let's go to the classwork. You also should try your own. Maybe you have truly understand what I explained. So try your own classwork. So let me give you your classwork. Let's go to the classwork. So this is the classwork I gave you. Let me try to bring it out. So it's the classwork. Let me zoom it more so you can see it very well. Okay, so you can see this is the classwork. We have two. The first one, we have the first one as is. So solve this question one. This first one, this question here and this question, they are almost the same. Okay, they are almost the same. Okay, so if you can able to solve this question, you can see the question. What is making it different? If you look at this here of this this is JAMB question. You have 2003 question 4. You will see it's almost the same question. Just don't be surprised. Almost the same question. What makes it different? This one is just serial number 1 over 2. Why isn't it just 1? That is just the difference. They are almost the same question. So solve it as classwork. And if you're new to a platform, if you want to join our Telegram, our WhatsApp group, so I can add you to the WhatsApp group where you can submit this class or two. If you have any error, I will be able to correct you. So let's dive to this. The WhatsApp group, that is 0906122 that is a 16, right? Yeah, 56. So that is my WhatsApp number. So message me and let me add you to the group if you wish to join to our WhatsApp group. So guys, submit a classwork in less than 30 minutes immediately after this class. Thank you. Wish I made in the group for any question and answer. Don't forget to share this video with a friend and a family. God bless you guys as you do so. So you also help others. Yeah. Thank you. Bye for today, class.